observe certain things where you know plan C, the nursery, the GSS, and also we don't begin SSS this year, yeah? All faculties, teacher the day for giving a free quality education. Mr. DJ.
Founded in September 4th, 2023 at Ramajokan. Jalwahinchidon in Thailand district is the progress of Syria. The establishment of the DMSFF was as a result of the death of Dr. Salia, who passed away during Ebola. Not forgotten, his selfless sacrifices and his legacy will forever and ever live on. Dr. Martin Salia, family foundation. Dr. Martin Salia, family foundation. DMSFF regardless of whether you like it, whether you need it. Let us come together to promote each other. The Bible says we should love one another. Mommy, ISK and the DMSFF members, we are working together for the DMSFF. If God is for you, who can be against you?
So, ladies and gentlemen, today about for witnessing 40 Hello. The people of Salia Family Foundation Academy, and this academy then Kamajoka, Jalwa Hunchip inside Thailand district. We they offer quality education from nursery, primary, GSS, and we just established SSS. We they offer so you when a parent, you know school begin, you want for pen, quality school, for that you picking at quality education. I believe say the best school now Dr. Martin Salia Family Foundation Academy. Do not have to see, to the lead by plenty examples. The establishment of the DMSFF, regardless of the hospitals, no Chinese out. Everything welcome to the DMSFF. As I say, this is Dr. Martin Salia Family Foundation Academy. This school they open up as for remember the late Dr. Martin Salia, when I be a medical surgeon specialist, who be passed away during Ebola. So the family come together and do necessary say they don't want to let that particular man in legacy die out. So as a result of that, when the family come together, they open that particular school day. Una said they see if you not a stranger in the room, we don't bring come the services where they offer in a bigger town. We get transportation, the school environment was secure. The only school that is district